Hey Wolfpack, I'm so excited to share with you guys all the great information about our book fair coming up at the end of February. So I'm just going to get started on this. I'm going to go through everything and then I'm going to share this more with all your parents so that you guys have the information in your hands. So let's start with our book fair information. First off, it'll start Monday, February 24th, and it'll go all the way through Friday at 1 o'clock, right after all the lunches. Now, guys, I will be open before school, after school, and I will be open during lunches. So Mom and Dad, if you guys want to come up and eat lunch with them, you're more than welcome to come into the book fair. Your teachers will also be bringing you in at different times during the week so that you guys can check it out. Now this is another one of those Follett book fairs. We've had one of these in the past. What I love about Follett book fairs is the variety they give me. I have some students who are still really liking their 6th grade books, and I have other students in 8th grade who are kind of ready for the more mature books. So I've got a little bit of a great variety where they are still middle school books, but where they have all different varieties. We have graphic novels come in, nonfiction, fiction. We have all the hot ones that are coming out, some of them that are coming out on to movie. It's just an awesome variety of books we have coming. One of the things I really like is that Follett actually has something where you can give your kids a gift card, where if you go, and I'm going to kind of click over to it real quick, instead of sending cash, you can actually go to this website that is on the S'more that I'm going to share with your families, that you can go here and parents can send money with you this way versus sending you cash. So if you want them to get this, you put in the information, you type in how much money you want, and then you can actually create a gift card for them. That way they can use it at the book fair. It's a little bit safer than money. Little bit more information is there are some awesome books coming to you guys. I'm going to go through the actual packet real quick. You guys, your teachers have some of these. If you're interested in grabbing one, grab one. Some really good books coming to you guys. We've got the Samantha Spinner series. This journal right here is actually if you spend $16.99, you can get it for $4.99 with any book fair purchase. So I think that's a really cool thing. They have more information on the website about it, but that's really cool. We got some Big Nate going on. One thing I'm super excited about is this crossover. A lot of you guys have read Crossover, loved Crossover by Kwame Alexander, and it has been actually turned into a graphic novel. And so it's a same story, just a little bit different look. So it's a lot of fun. A lot of you guys liked Just Friends whenever you guys were reading that, and Real Friends, and this is book 2. It's called Best Friends. I very much enjoyed it, and I know a lot of you guys like My Hero Academia and just the different things coming here. We also have some great nonfiction books. I know a lot of you guys like reading the informational books like these up at the top, the Guinness Book of World Records. We also have a couple of biographies coming to us, the Proud, and then we've also got Code Girls. Some really great fiction books coming our way. Ghost Boys, which is one of our Lone Star books right now. We also have Dragon Pearl. A lot of you guys are really liking this Rick Riordan Presents series. That is, it's not written by Rick Riordan, but it is by other authors, but it is mythology from other cultures that he's not writing, but he has got his own publishing set. So it's a really cool situation, and everything that's coming from there is getting New York Times bestsellers. It's just awesome. We also have the Season of Styx Malone, which was a award-winning, it was in 2019 Lone Star book also, so that's a really good, 2020, I apologize. The Monumentous Events in the Life of a Cactus. I believe this is book 1 of the series, but there is a book 2. So it's meant to be a really good series. I've had lots of students come to me and tell me how awesome it is. We've got book 5 of the TBH series. So just lots of great stuff. Keep going. These are just a few more of them. Again, Gordon Corman's always great. The Unteachables, the Someday Suitcase, Class Action, which is really good. This is the area that I do want to talk about though. This is our YA section. Some really great stuff on here, but I do want to make sure you guys are aware that some of this stuff will not be actually set out. After reading a few of the things, Pride is it's a modern day take on Pride and Prejudice. Hamilton and Peggy will be out. Who Killed Christopher Goodman? I actually read this and very much enjoyed it. But like down here, what I will tell you is Although I know y'all are so excited about the movie coming out, P.S. I Still Love You will not be. It is a high school book, and we do have book one of the series in the library, To All the Boys I Loved Before, but P.S. I Still Love You kind of goes across that YA line, so that's the one that I won't have. I also will not have Looking for Alaska or All the Bright Places. Again, both of these I want to say Netflix or Hulu, but they do cross that line into our high school sector. So I will be pulling those off the shelf. So please understand that if you see some of them on here, I have to kind of make that decision based on our clientele. So just be aware of that. We have a few more here at the back, but guys, this is just a few of the things that we have coming. Lots of awesomeness going to be here though. Then we have, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys some of that stuff. Again, we're open all week from Monday at it's actually 7:55 all the way till Friday at 1 p.m. Remember, all this does is just, I'm getting books in y'all's hands. This is going to be great for right before spring break. So you guys have books to read. Come check us out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me when you get a chance, or come by. Sorry, not call me. Come by when you get a chance. Bye, guys.